Alright, so this is a sneak peek. What's going on here? It's just everything test fitted right now. Need to trim everything down. Got rid of all the rot that's back here. Like you see, cut all that bad metal out all the way around. Got spray raid in the background. While I'm at it, I'm redoing the front too. Both sides. This is just temporary up here. This is temporary up here. I gotta cut all the metal out from back here. You can see I got holes back there that need to be replaced. That need to come out before this going permanent. So, look, quick sneak peek.
Big B on the track. Oh boy.